Hey guys, I'm going to explain to you why is Google showing personalized ads. So Google shows personalized ads because it uses information from your activity and preferences to make ads more relevant to you. This can include searches you've made on Google, videos you've watched on YouTube, websites and apps you've visited that use Google advertising services, your approximate location. You have demographic information such as age range and language settings, and topics and interests Google believes you may like. So, personalized ads are controlled through your Google Ad settings. So, this is where you can review, edit, or turn off ad personalization by going to Google Ad settings. So, here's how you can turn off personalized ads. So, open Google. Then from here, click your profile in the top right corner. Then select Manage your Google account. Now, on the left side, go ahead and select Data and Privacy. Then scroll down and you should see Personalized Ads. Then click My Ad Center. Then from here, look for Personalized Ads at the top. Then click this arrow right here. Then scroll down and read all this information. Then just click Turn Off Personalized Ads. So turn the feature off, and that's it. So personalized ads are now off. So click on Got It. Now, even after disabling personalized ads, you'll still see ads, but they'll be based on general factors like the content you're viewing, your approximate location, or the time of day rather than your personal activity. And that's it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.